Hey there, Mark Holmes here with another video based on the price action for silver. I'm going to be looking at the price action on the charts, and I've got some interesting patterns that are showing up as far as the price pattern. So let's go and get right into it. This might be kind of short, but what we're looking at here basically is a monthly chart. So if you're looking at this, each of these are candles. Each one represents 1 month in time. So it goes back a good ways. So back here at this candle here, let me get rid of these Fibonacci Bollinger Bands, make it a little easier. So back here at this big candle here, April 11th, April 1st, 2011. Okay. And you can see it goes on from there. So April 11, so that's what's that, 11 years ago. So all right, so now this is kind of like longer timeline. That's kind of what people are looking at right now. Now, one of the things to notice, and this isn't the best, the clearest, or the prettiest pattern, but if you see here, the price action is running down from this big candle here. Price action runs down. We've got lower lows, and then it kind of rounds off here at the bottom, and then it comes down here. So it kind of looks like a cup. Now, in the industry, we call this a cup and handle pattern. I really don't like cup and handle patterns with a lower high on the right side. So you've got a high here and then a lower high here, but it does resemble a cup and handle pattern. So basically, to draw it out, it kind of looks like this. You can see the bottom rounds off here, and then it goes up here, and then here is the actual handle. Okay. Now, we did, if you listen to our previous video, the previous video that I put out, you can see that on my YouTube channel. And by the way, please like and share this video, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos based on price action along this journey with the silver price action. So anyway, so that's basically a cup and handle pattern. Now, what you look at here with the cup and handle pattern is basically you come and you've got a line here that comes across this way. Okay, now how you measure a cup and handle pattern is basically you're going to take from the bottom here, which is, well, actually it's right about here, and up to there. Okay, now the target for this, okay, now that's assuming that the price action is going to come up. As you can see, it comes up here. Let me zoom in here so you can actually see in detail the handle. Okay, so the price comes down, hits here, hits there, hits there. It's kind of a messy drawing here, but you get the idea. So it's bouncing back and forth here within that handle. Okay, so that's assuming that it comes up here. If we all had a crystal ball, it'd be great, but we don't. But we'll follow the price action. It looks like we're going to bounce here. You can go back to my, I think it's a July 12th video where I talked about it bouncing here. And just earlier today, actually this morning, I did another video, which was almost 4 weeks later after that, talking about how it did bounce and run up here. So now, right now, we are at this point, and if it does run up here, let's take a look here and zoom out to what the price target would be. All right, now, if you listened to my other video, and I talked about a price target of $47. Now this is hitting around 49 here. And basically that kind of coincides right with the top, very top here of this candle here. Right here, right at the top here. And yeah, let's see. 40, yep, 49.76. So basically it runs up to the top here. From there, where it goes, we'll have to take it from there. But my opinion, silver has a major run coming ahead here in the future. So that's where we're at right now as far as the monthly timeline. So I think we have very good chance of this running up. Can it run down? Absolutely can. Well, we'll have to watch the price action and see where it goes. But according to this pattern here, this is how that pattern would play out. So anyway, if you look closely here, there's another line right here, and I'm going to blow that up here. You see this white line here. So I am going to take a look at the daily timeline. Okay, so now let me go back here. Sometimes you see we have this pattern that we just did. This is the monthly. I'm back on the monthly again. Sometimes we have patterns within patterns. Okay, so now what I'm going to focus on is this little bit of area here, right there. So I'm going to go and look, and we're going to hone in here. We're going to zoom in to that area. Okay, so here is the handle. It's just extended out here. So I'm going to zoom in, and what do we have? We have another cup and handle pattern here. Okay, so it's same thing. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so we've got, and this is actually a better cup and handle pattern. It could run down a little bit lower. So if it does, it could bounce, back down to around $19.50, $19, somewhere in there. We'll watch the price, but it's looking pretty strong to me. So if it runs from there on the short term, on the daily, let's say it comes up from right around here. We are looking at $22.85, so just under $23. So that's a good run. So that would be a run of approximately 13%. Okay, so we already ran, since my last video, and I talked about it bouncing down here, we already ran up 12%. So if it runs up another 13, then we're looking at 25% from here to there. Now, another thing to look out for, we've got support and resistance, another support and resistance zone actually up in this area. So there's a, this would be a resistance zone here. So basically $22 to $22.50, basically around that area. So that's a support or a resistance zone. It would have to go through that to hit that price target. So we're going to watch that too. I'm excited about this. We've got some very bullish movements here with silver. We do have some lower lows going here, so we're going to watch that. But anyway, that on the monthly timeline is, to me, very exciting. Very exciting. So I've got messages coming in here. Sorry. There's a lot of people looking at silver. I get a lot of messages, a lot of people curious about what's going on. If you're looking to get involved with us and start stacking silver, that's what we're doing. We've got a ton of people. We are growing like crazy. Last I checked, we were about 750 people in just over 4 weeks, and we will be in the thousands, no doubt about it, within probably a week or two. And by year's end, we will be in the tens of thousands, realistically. Everybody's eyes, well, most people's eyes are on silver right now. We've got an incredible opportunity. There's a lot of people that are involved, all walks of life. I mean, we're talking about people that are getting involved, and they're steady stacking at 1 ounce a month, which is great. There's no race here. There's no competition. There's people that are stacking at hundreds of ounces per month. Some people are stacking every week. So the great thing is you control that. You have control to speed it up, slow it down, whatever you want to do, but don't wait. If the price goes to where I'm talking about, you can look at my previous videos. There's people that have been into precious metals for a long time that I've talked to that understand what's going on with basically everything that's going on right now. And there's people that are predicting silver to smoke gold. Okay, so basically they're looking at silver just running past gold. Okay, so time will tell. Again, if we all had a crystal ball. But anyway, that's what we're looking at. If the price runs down further, we're going to be stacking even more. So don't wait. Get started. Click the link below. Or if somebody shared this video with you, get back with them. Get started. Don't wait on this. And start stacking with us, and we'll see you on the other side.